In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make chapters, sections, and subsections in Word. If you've ever worked on a long report, thesis, or manual, the key to keeping it organized is using Word's built-in tools for structure. We will start by applying heading styles. Add automatic numbering. Customize the look of those headings and finish by creating a polished table of contents. Begin by typing the title for your first chapter. With your cursor on that line, go to the Home tab and choose Heading 1 from the Styles gallery. That tells Word this is a top-level chapter. For the parts inside that chapter, select the title text and apply Heading 2. If you have smaller subsections within a section, use Heading 3. Think of Heading 1 as the big signpost, Heading 2 as the next level down, and Heading 3 as the finer details. Avoid manually bolding or resizing your titles. Styles give you consistent formatting and, more importantly, the structural information Word needs for numbering and navigation. Next, let's make Word number everything automatically. Click one of your chapter titles that's already formatted as Heading 1. On the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click the multi-level list icon. From the gallery, choose the option that shows Heading 1, 1.1, Heading 2, 1.1.1, Heading 3. Instantly, your chapters will become 1, 2, 3, and your sections will become 1.1, 1.2, and so on. As you add or rearrange sections, Word updates those numbers automatically, keeping your outline clean and accurate without any manual edits. If the default look of the headings isn't right for your document, customize them once and reuse that look everywhere. Format one heading to your preference, adjust the font, size, color, or spacing. With that text still selected, go to the Home tab. Right-click the relevant style, such as Heading 1, and choose Update Heading 1 to match selection. Every Heading 1 in your document updates instantly. Repeat the same process for Heading 2 and Heading 3 to maintain a consistent hierarchy from top to bottom. Finally, create a professional table of contents. Pick a built-in layout that suits your document. Word immediately compiles entries from your Heading 1, 2, and 3 text, with proper indentation and page numbers for quick navigation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.